So let's talk about the 7 steps of implementing basic equipment care. When we do a basic equipment care workshop, generally this workshop is between 3 and 5 days. It's a cross-functional team of both operations, maintenance. We like to have engineering involved, to have that outside set of eyes looking at the equipment. During that 3-day to 5-day event, we're going to follow these 7 steps. The first part is perform the initial cleaning. We're going to go out there to the equipment, look at the current state. We're going to look for contamination sources or parts of the equipment where contamination is building up so that we can address those. Part of the workshop will be not only cleaning, but we're cleaning to inspect. We're also looking at those contamination sources. We want to come up with some countermeasures as to, ideally we want to eliminate that contamination altogether, but if we can't eliminate it, at the very least we want to be able to control that contamination and direct it into condition, maybe a bucket or some type of container to where we can control that contamination. Also, one of the big parts of the BEC is going to have the cross-functional team working together to develop standards or routines to support the regular cleaning and lubricating activities that need to happen on that piece of equipment. We want to inspect the equipment. We want to train those operators to inspect the equipment, to what to look for. We want to implement visual controls on any kind of fill levels or pressure gauges. Improve the process knowledge. A lot of times on pieces of equipment we find operators who have ran that equipment for years that are not even aware of pressure gauges or adjustments that can be made on the equipment to keep it running properly. Improved workplace organization. We want to look at the area around that piece of equipment and make sure that we can get to the lubrication points and to get in there and make the repairs needed. And then it all comes together by sustaining that basic equipment care. And we typically do that by implementing audits. We like to have a layered audit system. We like to have the operators audit daily to make sure that the cleaning and lubrication standards are being followed by a weekly supervisor type audit to where the supervisors are also signing off that this is being done. And then usually that's followed by a monthly more in-depth audit from a lean leader or a TPM coordinator that's going to not only look at that piece of equipment, but any other pieces of equipment that have had BEC perform.